In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change border thickness in Google Sheets. This can be incredibly useful for visually organizing your data, making certain areas stand out, or just giving your spreadsheet a professional look. Let's dive right in and take it step by step, ensuring you have all the information you need to master this skill. First, open up your Google Sheets document. You can do this by navigating to your Google Drive, locating your desired spreadsheet, and simply clicking it to open. If you haven't created one yet, just click on New and select Google Sheets to start a fresh document. Once your document is open, you'll find yourself looking at a grid of cells, which is your playground for applying border styles. Now, let's select a cell or a range of cells where you want to apply changes. To do this, just click on a single cell. If you need to select a group of cells, click and drag over your chosen area. Remember, the selected cells will usually be highlighted by a blue outline, signaling they're ready for your customization. It's worth noting that you can always use the keyboard for selection, such as holding the Shift key and using the arrow keys for precise adjustments. With your cells selected, let's move on to the toolbar area at the top of the page. You'll want to locate the borders icon. It resembles a square with solid and dashed lines around it. This icon will open up several options for customizing your borders. Go ahead and click the Borders icon. A drop-down menu appears showing various types of borders you can apply, such as top, bottom, left, right, all borders, and so forth. Choose the one that suits your needs best. Now, focusing on the most important aspect of today's tutorial, selecting your desired border thickness. After you've picked the border type, notice there's an option to adjust the thickness right beside it. Click here and a list of different thickness options will appear, usually labeled with small lines that demonstrate the degree of thickness. The options may range from thin to medium to thick, allowing you to decide how bold you'd like your borders to appear. Once you've made your choice, click on your preferred thickness. Finally, let's lock in those changes. Simply click off the highlight by selecting another cell elsewhere in your document. You'll instantly see how your new border settings apply to the selected cells, giving them a new, defined look. Play around with this until you find the perfect match for your needs, and don't hesitate to redo these steps as many times as you need in order to get everything just right. And there you have it. By following these quick and easy steps, you've just customized your Google Sheets borders. Whether it's highlighting key data or simply making your spreadsheet more elegant, changing border thickness is a versatile tool to have in your skill set. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this enhances your Google Sheets experience.